Namaskar. It's been a wonderful journey being with you for such a long time. And your expectations have grown, and we have tried our level best to answer your queries and questions. But here is my say. What is my expectations from you? Let's explore that. How about that? Well, I have personally learned through the guru-shishya parampara. My guru was there to teach me, and I was there as a student receiving the gyan or the knowledge from him and her. Times have changed. We are connected to each other through online. We are sending you lessons, you are sending us questions and comments, you are sending us videos, we are sending you our comments and observations, and the journey goes on and on. Having said that, what do I expect from you? Definitely, yes, to do your riyaaz regularly and to explore life in a beautiful way and enjoy the journey of dance. But I also have a responsibility towards you. Whatever I have gathered from my gurus as a prasadam from them, my journey has been with utmost sincerity to put it in a structured way, to give you a format, an organized structure that would lead you towards learning the art form with the pride and the independence and confidence that is most imperative for every performing artist. I would very much like you, my dear students, to have the pleasure of learning the art form at a deeper level. Not just the performance, but also how to say the parhant, the meaning of the text, how to do notation of all your technique. Also to upaj, to make creative things on your own. These are some of the things that I would request you to explore more. I really do want you to fly into this world with new confidence, enjoy what you're observing and absorbing. Let me be that air beneath your wings. Let me be that resource to give you the knowledge and structure. Let me give you the freedom to fly. You push and you fly higher. That's my wish for you. I hope you have a wonderful journey, and you and I, at some point, crossroads.